Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So, we are group number 11. Today, we're going to talk about the regarding issue of milk carton. Typically, I'm for kids in Indonesia. The truth about healthy cartoon milk in Indonesia. Before we go to the topic, let we introduce ourselves. First, my name is Najwa Khairani Safira. You can call me Fira with student identity 2510911120009.
My name is Joshua Chandra Sheldin. You can call me Jojo. With my number is 2510911210011.
Hello guys, my name is Muhammad Rifaldi Rahman. You can call me Aldi and my student number is 2510911210013.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Naufal Fadlan Darwis. You can call me Fadlan. My student number is 2510911210046.
Hello everyone, my name is Alifa Nabila Samdi. You can call me Alifa. My student number is 2510911220006 and 9.
Before explaining this material, we will provide a disclaimer. Disclaimer number 1, this presentation is intended for informational and educational purpose only. Number 2, it does not aim to criticize, target, or discredit any brand, company, or individual. Number 3, all content is presented in a general context to raise awareness and understanding.
So, we will go to the topic. First, we should know what is cartoon milk. So, what is cartoon milk? Cartoon milk is a drink commonly sold in supermarkets for children, made from milk that is processed through pasteurization or ultra-high temperature treatment to make it safe and last longer. It comes in many flavors, such as chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla, which make it more attractive for children. It is often often advertised to children with simple message that claim it healthy and good for growth. Next. So, why people choose cartoon milk? First, widely advertised on TV, social media, and online platforms, even offline platforms too, and then easy to find and widely available. We can find it in supermarkets, school, everywhere. And then practically and easy to consume. We no preparation, we don't need preparation for cartoon milk, so we just need to drink it. And then affordable price. Then colorful packaging and child friendly design. And then various flavors that appeal to children. And then last, it's because health claims that attract parent attention. And then next.
So the problem is in general that a lot of us that we know that there are many kind of claims that used by the carton milk brands in Indonesia. For example, 100% pure fresh milk, nutritious, source of vitamins and calcium, mineral, etc. And you can look at the next slide. There is an example like next slide. This example like there is claim that they are made of 100% pure fresh milk, but in can look in the composition that it doesn't even have a pure milk. It's just a milk that reconstitute that made of water, uh, powder, milk powder, and any others. This is like this show that in reality many carton milk products in Indonesia do not fully live up to their claims. Even though that packaging often says 100% milk, in some cases the product contains only a small amount of real milk, and some may not contain milk at all. When we look at milk product, especially for children, this issue becomes even clearer. Many of them are actually quite high in sugar, and which can reduce their health benefits and make them less healthy than people expect. The next slide, there is also another example of like high sugar in children carton milk. You can see the sugar is 19 gram, 19 gram, and there is also sucrose and lactose, 8 gram and 7 gram. Maybe that's all.
Okay, next, we will discuss more specific problems. Popular Indonesian carton milk brands like Ultra Milk, Indomilk, Frisian Flag often claim to be pure fresh milk, highly nutritious, or rich in vitamins and calcium. This makes them seem ideal for children, but the reality based on ingredients, processing, and labels can differ. Here are two key issues. Number one, high added sugar despite nutrients claims. Flavored carton milk and growing up milks often claim to be nutrients or rich in vitamins and calcium. However, most contains added sugar, making them taste sweet and similar to sugary drinks, which can mislead parents about their health benefits for children. Number two, fortified nutrients compare with natural composition. Claims like rich in protein, vitamins, or mineral are common, but many products as reconstitute milk and add nutrients artificially rather than relying on natural milk source. Flavored version also dilute the real milk content with sugar and additive.
Okay, next is the definition of a healthy carton of milk. So what is the standard of healthy carton of milk? A healthy standard by carton of milk refers to the set of nutritional, safety, quality, and handling requirements that ensure the milk is safe to consume, nutritionally beneficial, and suitable for public health consumption. There are some standards that generally applies to the following aspect. The first one is the nutritional quality. Milk should contain high quality of protein, rich in calcium, provides essential vitamins like vitamin D, B12, and A, and there are fat contents clearly labeled such as full cream, low fat, and skim. And then there's no added sugar in the plain milk. The second aspect is the safety and hygiene standards. First one is milk should be pasteurized or ultra high temperature treated. The second is free from harmful bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella. And then there's no chemical contamination like antibiotics, pesticides, or other heavy metals. And then produce under strict hygiene and food safety practices. The third aspect is the packaging quality, which uses food-grade, non-toxic carton materials, and then use airtight and light protective packaging. Properly sealed to prevent contamination, and then clear labeling, nutrition facts, ingredients, and expiry date. The fourth one is the storage and shelf life, which clearly stated expiration, best before date, storage instruction provided, like refrigerate after opening, and then maintains quality and safety throughout shelf life it's stored correctly. And then the last one is through regulatory compliance, which is by meets national food safety standards approved by Health and Food Regulator Authority, and then undergoes quality control and inspection.
So the next topic is about how to choose healthy carton milk. When choosing healthy carton milk, consumer should not depend only on the health claims written on the packaging. Many carton milk products use like attractive labels such as like high in calcium, high protein, or low sugar, which can be misleading. Therefore, it is important to read the nutrition fact label carefully. Consumers should check the amount of protein, sugar, and fat in each serving. Healthy carton milk should contain enough protein, usually around 3 grams for 100 ml, and should not contain excessive added sugar. Checking the ingredient list is also very important, as milk should be listed as the main ingredient. Choosing plain or unflavored milk is usually better option because flavored milk often contains more sugar and artificial flavoring. In addition, consumers should avoid a product that contains too many additives, such as artificial sweeteners, coloring, or stabilizer. By understanding the information on food labels and making thoughtful choice, consumer can select carton milk that truly support good health. Next slide. So for the conclusion is carton milk is a popular and artificial beverage in Indonesia, especially among children and teenagers. However, not all carton milk products that are marketed as healthy actually provide good nutritional value. Some products contain high amount of added sugar, low protein content, or many unnecessary additives. And because of this, consumers need to be more careful and informed when choosing carton milk. The healthiness of carton milk should be judged based on its nutritional content and ingredients, not just on the main ingredient, sufficient protein, and minimal added sugar. By becoming more aware and critical consumer, people can make better choice for the daily nutrition and long-term health. That's all from us. Thank you for listening to our group presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.